Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? Seems I'm so much excited today. I don't know, but I'm just kind of like happy, and I believe the only person that can make you happy is yourself. If you give yourself the best, so definitely nobody can make you happy than yourself. So it's just happy today. So yeah, on this video we're going to discuss about six low competitive gigs on Fiverr. So I have actually made the list to my board. So yep, we have it here. 6 low competition gigs on Fiverr. So these gigs are best for writers, graphic designers, and digital marketers. So the first one is case study, the second one is website banner, the third one is app icon, fourth one is LinkedIn marketing, and the fifth one is design, certificate design, and the sixth one is product animation. So let's jump back to Fiverr and see with these gigs and see how they are performing. So the first one is case study. Yeah, so yeah, you see here the total gigs on this page is 1,258 sellers, or I should say gigs, sorry, because there are some sellers that used to have like 3 or 4 gigs, and everything will be on this page. So and every gig counts. So this is 1,258 gigs on this page, and you see here they all have feedbacks from buyers. So the list of reviews here is insane. Okay, this is one feedback. Probably maybe this is just a new seller. Okay, so I'm just trying to check if everyone in this page have a feedback. So yeah, all of them have feedback. The list is one feedback. So this one also have one review from a buyer. Probably maybe she have made some other sales apart from one review, or maybe only one buyer just decided to drop a feedback. So I believe if you create a gig with these keywords, I will design or write your case study, your business case study analysis, like that, research writing, related. So I believe you will definitely get sales. So and also you need to optimize your gig. You can check my other videos that discuss about how to rank your gig and how to promote your gig as well. So let's jump back to the second one, which is website banner. Let's start from here. Website banner. Yep. So there is 1,874 gigs on this page as well. So, and I believe that almost everyone have reviewed. The list will be even less than 10. Not be even less than 10, sorry. So you see this right here. So wow. Let me see. I need to check on this gig. 2 reviews. First page. This gig could be well optimized, and probably the seller make use of the keyword very well. Reason why this gig was ranked So yeah, I like this. So let's take on another list as well to see. Check out this gig. The seller has 4 orders in queue already. So I believe all these 4 gigs are doing well. They are actually doing well because these are the keywords that you need to use when you want to create a gig on this website banner. So you need to use web banner, Facebook banner, banner ads, banner design, YouTube banner. So these are the keywords you need to use on your gig title as well as gig tags in order to make your gig rank. So this is it. You can proceed to the other gig, which is app icon. So icon. So this is so cool, like 680 gigs. Wow, 680 gigs. This is very less. Very less. And these are the keywords you can use to on your gig title and tags: app logo, icon design, flat icon, icon set. These are so amazing. Let's check this. Wow, definitely people are really buying this service. People are really buying this service. And you actually have the right time now to offer this service if you're a graphic designer. So definitely there will be a lot of sales here. This is having 296 reviews already on this same gig. So this is the right time for you to offer this service. So let's go to the 4th one, which is LinkedIn marketing. Okay. LinkedIn marketing. LinkedIn marketing. Wow, this is so amazing. 460 gigs on this page. At first place I was thinking probably maybe people don't know much about LinkedIn, and now people are just trying to market their profile, most especially those who are into real estate management, like that. So I think those are the people that are doing much and promoting their LinkedIn page. So here 54 reviews already with 6 orders in queue. So let's just check on another gig. So I'm having 47 reviews and 2 orders in queue. So this is. So let's proceed to the next gig, which will be certificate design. So let's proceed to this page. Certificate design. So there is 1018 gigs on this page. So think this kind of design is kind of like easy because you can actually make use of Canva to design something like this. Yeah, I think you can make use of Canva. So let's see this first. But of course, this size have been 402 rupees, so definitely there is a lot to achieve here. I think, okay, let me go to Canva and see. Canva.com. Sorry. Certificate. Design. You see, there are different templates for certificate design here. See, there are lots of certificates you can actually design from this page. So, but if you are a professional graphic designer, so definitely you achieve here. Definitely achieve on this page. You can see here the list is $5 though, and almost everybody here, almost every gigs here have reviews. See, so almost every gig here has reviews. So I believe it's worth trying. I believe it's worth trying. So let's proceed to the last but not the least, which is product animation. Whichever you call it, animation. Sellers here is less than 2,000 sellers. I'll create 3D products modeling and animation, 84 other reviews, and then 3 others in queue. With the basic package of $150, $550, $700. Wow, this niche is high ticket. This is high ticket. This is amazing. I really recommend if you are good in doing making a video. So definitely this gig is the best. This gig is the best. Actually, sometimes it depends on the levels of account you are on. Maybe you are level 1 or level 2 sellers. So because what I'm saying here is that this first gig I feel now is its price is definitely different from others. So this one is level 2, top rated seller, level 2. This one level 2 as well. This one, okay, from Fiverr on their own. And see if anyone is offering a higher price than $100, definitely the person is kind of like a top rated seller, a level seller. And this one is also a pro 45 seller. So that's it. This is amazing, and I believe all these gigs I mentioned, they are very important. Like if you offer any service among them. So definitely, I believe within 1 month, everything should be fine. We should get an order based on my belief. Should get an order. So it depends on what you can do, and you can drop me a comment if you have a question regarding this video, and please kindly subscribe to my channel. So I'll be very much happy to have you on my channel. So anytime I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Thank you for watching.